Hi guys, how are you? Hope mko poa. Okay guys, I want to go to the market and because I'll be having visitors, so I want to go to the market first because this week I'll be holding my friends at my home. So I want to first to go to the market, then I'll have to go to do my hair. It's looking bad, and before that let me niweke gari yangu mafuta. So yeah, I'm having pressure because I have never held a lot of friends, so I'm kinda having pressure. So but what I'll do, just I think I'll be okay. Niweke 5. Yeah. Yeah, but I have the we called one of our friend who does the catering thing, so she wrote me the list of things that I'm going to buy in the market. Yeah, that is what I'm going to fuata. But also he'll come and cook for us. I don't think I'll be able to cook for a lot of people, so he'll come and cook for us, although he will have our assistants. Yeah, and that is it. So after the market, I'm going to the supermarket because I also have some things that I need to buy from the supermarket. And also, and also, yeah, so that I can go to the salon, do my hair, and also do my toenails. Okay, I also decided to stop by so that I can go to the bank, do some transaction. So yeah, let me first go to the bank, and before that I want to pay the parking, and I think they changed the number that I used to know, so I'll just check where they are, ask them the code that I'm going to use so that I can pay. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm done doing the grocery shopping that I wanted to do. Right now I want to go to the supermarket and do the shopping that I'm needed to do in the supermarket. So then I call it a day. Yeah. guys, I want to quickly show you the items that I got from the market and the others that I got from the supermarket. So yeah, yesterday I did a lot of shopping, and also I did my hair. So this is what I went for. Remember guys, I'm having the artificial locks, so yeah, so it's very simple to manage them. So I'm going to start with this one, and I have this salad cream, and I got 2 of them. I have this milk one, creamish one, this one, and also I have this one. So I got 2 because I have never used them, so I want to try both of them. Those are the salad cream. I got some Daima yogurt. I love Daima yogurt so much. So I got like 6-7 of them. So yeah, I also got this maziwa lala. So I got 4 of them. I got 4 of these, and also I got some mango juice. This one. Yeah, I got some mango juice. I got 5 of them. So for this bag, it's a gift. So you buy Indomie and you're gifted this one. So I bought 2 Indomies and I was gifted these 2 bags. So I didn't buy bags. So this is the other one. I got this unsalted butter from Brookside. I got one. I have some snacks for my girls. I have this Melvis cinnamon. These are tea bags, which I love so much. I love that one. So these are the Indomies that I got. So I got 2 packets. Of these. And also I got this Virginia Green Garden Classic Mayonnaise. I have never used this one, so I got the big pack. I also got this tomato paste. I got the size that I really wanted, so I got this one. This that I've been going to use. I got 2 packets of spaghetti. Okay, I got 2 packets of salt, and also I got the Reiko cube. I love this, the red one. And also I got this Marveling Tangawizi. These are tea bags. I got that one. And also I got this banner. I have a makeup that doesn't have a banner, so I decided to buy this one because I know I'm going to use it. So this is the other bag, so that I was gifted. Yeah. And also I got this. I got 1 pack of that one. I also got this Vitabix. I buy this gifted this one, so I got that one. And also I have this 1 carton of milk. I have that 1 carton of milk. I have this drinking chocolate. So I bought this one, but I had others. So I got 1. So I forgot that I had others in the house. So I have a lot of those ones. So I got just 1. So this is the receipt. So I have this Minute Maid juice. I have 2 sodas. I have these 2. I also have this tomato sauce. I got this one, but I have another one. So I bought this hot and sweet sauce. I also have this hot and sweet another one. So I got 2 of those. And also I have this is baking flour for making chapati and mandazi. So I got 3 of them. I got 3 of these. I got this Raha Premium maize flour. So I got 3 of them. And also I got these ones. These are let me show you. I got this kitchen towel. I got 1 because I have others. I have this one. These are toilet bowl. I got 1 pack because I also have another one. So for this one, I'm going to use it in my guest toilet. So I also got this sunlight, half a kg, and also I got this downy. I got the downy because I love down so much. I also have this Savannah hard wash, but I have others. That is why I picked one. I have these are Colgate charcoal. I also picked one. I also have these serviettes. I have other like 3 pieces, so I got 2. I just added 2 of them. I have this clean film. I got 1 packet, but for fuel I got 2 of these, so yeah, I got 2 of those. And also I got this tissue. Can this? I got this tissue, and also I got this golden fire. Hiyo ni mafuta ya kupika. So yeah. And also I got this soya. I got the dark sauce soya. This is the dark one, but I wanted the light one. And also I got the white vinegar, the small one. So, and also I have this is choma sauce. I have this choma sauce. So, and these are the sausages. I got like 5 packets of sausages. So I have these packets of sausages. I got 4 of them. I got 4 packets of sausages. So yeah, those ones I got 4. And also I got these are meatballs that I want to try. I have never bought them, so I want to try. I bought the small packet, so yeah, and those are the things that I got from the supermarket. And also I have these two mini of water, so I got 2 of them because I have the big one, the one for refilling, so it's here, and it's full, so I got these 2. Yeah, I got just those ones. So I did my shopping in Naivas. So yeah, so let me show you the green groceries that I bought so that we can complete this.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So these are the things that I got from the market, and I'm going to start with this. These are the eggs. I got 1 tray of eggs. So yeah, I got this one. These are minchi. I got hoho. I got a lot of them. And also I have these are what? Sandara. These are not oranges, they are sandaras. I got these, and also okra. And I got garlic. I have these garlics. I have this meat. And also I have the oranges here. Pineapples. They're called pineapples. I have this. I got 3 of them. I have 3 of these. I got these onions. These are other garlics and ginger. Another oranges here. I also got this one. So yeah, I got a lot of dania. and this one for making it more. I got tomatoes, a lot of them. And also I got lemon, but for these ones they were going for 50 shillings. I got them for 50 shillings. So now I got the onions. I don't know why onions nowadays they are very expensive. So I got this one for 200 and also this one for 200. So I got onions for 800. So this one was going for 200, and I got 4 of them. Hey, they are very expensive, very expensive. So for these ones, they are 800. I got them for 800. Wow, very expensive. So I got those ones for 800. Then she added me this one. For this one, it's like for 100. She added me that ones. And also I got onions. Not onions. No, bigger. Mom. So I also got these tomatoes and also another tomatoes here. So I got a lot of them because I know I'm going to use them. So I got two cabbages. So I got these 2 cabbage, and also I got potatoes, and potatoes nowadays they are very expensive. I got 1 bucket for 1,000. Imagine guys, this is what is happening nowadays. So, and also I got carrots that I'm not going to show you. I have mixed them with the potatoes. So yeah, I think the potatoes are going to be enough for the budget. Really, they are very expensive. 1 bucket for 1,000. I don't know what is happening. So, and also I got unga ya unji. So I got this unga za uji. So for this one I got them from the market. So, and I don't think there's anything else. So yeah, that is what I got. Thank you guys for watching. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean them, put them in the fridge because I'm not going to use them today. So I'll have to put them in the fridge so that they will not go bad. So come guys, we clean the fridge, we clean them, then we clean the fridge.
Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion. I'm going on. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it starve. Now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it up, you'll see who had it all.